Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we discuss all things crypto, Solana and NFT related. And as you can see by the title in this video, I'll be discussing a project that I believe is very promising and I think is launching very soon, that I think could maybe even 10x or maybe even 100x. So before I do start, I must say that I am not a financial advisor, so nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything that I am about to say in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes, and I always do encourage you to do your own research before delving into anything. And also, before we go ahead and start, be sure to go ahead and follow me on Twitter. I will have the link to that in the description. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see by the title, I will be going over one of the most hyped projects right now in the Solana space. More than likely you would have heard about this project, but I'm just basically going to give my 2 cents on it, and of course give a bit of what I predict will happen in the future for this project. Now, Tripping Ape Tribe, they have been gathering a lot of momentum recently because no one definitely wants to miss out. I think there is a supply of 8,888 and there are over 100,000 people who want to get in right now. I was very lucky to get a whitelist position, and I have to say that whitelist position was definitely not easy to come by. Hopefully, if I can manage to grab one more, I might do a giveaway on here or something. But basically, this is gathering a lot of hype because no one wants to miss out, as I said, especially with the impact that OK Bears left. Everyone is looking on what could be the next OK Bears, what could just blow past 100 Sol in a few days. And I think that a lot of people are looking to this, and as we can see, as time progresses and more information is released, it's the more hype gets built and the more people that try to rally on. So as it relates to the project itself, other from all the hype and the good art, nothing much has really been released as yet. That is just crazy seeing the amount of good feedback that it is getting already. If this is so hyped right now, hitting 100k in a couple weeks, imagine what we're going to see when more information gets released, such as the roadmap as well as the mint date and on more information on the mint as a whole. I believe that both Discord and Twitter will reach over 100k each when everything gets released, such as the mint date, and as it comes closer to the mint date, the roadmap, the white paper, and just more on the project itself, because right now all that is really carrying the project is hype and the graphics, which are really good. So as you can see on their website there, as I said before, even on the website, nothing has been released as yet. They said that more information is coming soon, so all you can see is a few sneak peeks, as well as you can get the link to both Twitter and Discord from there. This, as it relates to their Twitter, as I said, that the Twitter is growing each day. They as I said, there is a really active community and everyone is trying to get whitelisted. So of course everyone is interacting, everyone is engaging in everything, of course, to try to get some of the whitelist spots that are available. Now, Discord is definitely where I believe the community is the strongest. Right now, I can't even check the main chat. And there's like a 2-minute timeline in which you can send messages, and if I ever try to click on that main chat right now, my device will just start freezing. And that just shows how active the community is. I'm not sure if there are any bots in there, but the community is very, very active. And one thing I do like as well is that every once in a while you see them actually engaging the community in games that everyone can participate in. I know that some projects would just do some rumbles and stuff like that, but they do have a lot of entertaining games that they do actually use to engage the community. Of course, that does help to build hype, especially when new people join the server and stuff. And one thing that I really do like, I haven't yet gotten the time to read through everything, but one thing that I really do like, and I think that it does actually, I think it is actually unique. I've seen other projects do it as well, but I really think that it is unique, and that is the fact that they do have a whole backstory around the project. So I think the apes are infected or something. They do have a whole backstory on it. I guess the leader in this case, it would be like, I guess he would be the tribe leader in this case, but they do have a whole story going, and of course that also helps to keep the community engaged. Yeah, and of course there is more to come. that is definitely very unique rather than just releasing some artworks and building hype around it. And of course, one of the most important factors that I do look into when for searching into a project or before putting any money into a project is finding out whether that team is doxed or not. I am definitely not saying that if a team is not doxed, then that's definitely a scam, but that is a red flag for me, and I would never invest in a project long term unless that the team is doxed. I don't think they are privately doxed as yet, like doxed by a official doxer, but most of the individuals on the team are actually well-known public figures in the NFT space. Some of them are actually known through social media. For most of them, their faces are revealed. I do expect to see a official doxing coming soon though, because as I said, it's not like they're hidden or anything. They are pretty much in the public, and they are and most of the team members are known. With a strong team and a strong and active community, what is my predictions on the Tripping Ape? And so as I said, it is a bit crazy to see that this project is still in the early stages and it is so hype right now. It really is in the early stages, and we still do have a lot to see in the future, especially when more information is released, as I said. Now, what are my floor price predictions? In the long term, I definitely do see this hitting over 100 soul floor price. I think not even OK Bears were doing these numbers before their mint. It was actually a few days before their mint that we started seeing a lot of those numbers, like them hitting over 100k on Twitter. So seeing Trippin Apes hit all those numbers and reaching those milestones this early on, I definitely do see them doing good. And in my opinion, based on how it's going, I do see a lot of new money coming into Solana, and I do see a lot of new people coming in early on. I think that this will be a huge competitor to OK Bears. As I said, I do have a whitelist spot. You can go ahead and join their Discord server and follow them on Twitter. This is not sponsored or anything like that, but you can try to see if you can get a whitelist by any chance, because as I said, that will be very huge and it is very hard to get, but you can try to interact or try to see if you can win a giveaway or something to see if you can get one of those spots. So guys, that is it for me. So thank you so much for staying to the end and watching and listening to me ramble about Tripping Apes and what are my predictions. So if you do want to see more videos like this or more videos on Solana NFTs in general, please remember to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We will soon have some giveaways coming, some Solana giveaways, and if we can work to get some whitelist spots, then that would be great as well. So thank you so much for watching. Peace out.